I will get job, then I will live my life. I will get good marks, then I will live my life. Then otherwise I will die. Why? There was nobody which, yeah, who was live in India and who was worried about to his future, because of the everybody had his special skill. So he was working with his skill for his nation, for his society, for his village, for his country. And now today we are not we are independent, we are feeling independent ourselves, but only with the our living, not caring about ourselves, not development, and not for growth, not for our development, for our growth. If we try to see about the some countries, they are really powerful because of the they try to develop business sector. We only worried about the how we'll get the job and how we'll work in the government sector, and I will get proper salary for my future life, and how I will get after the retirement package. This is very bad thing for me. Many time I think about this topic. If this kinds of system will be stopped, how will you? I'm a person. I'm speaking with the English language. I can speak Marathi language. I can speak English language. I can understand the Sanskrit, Gujarati, some little, some great. But I want to say to you, I belong from the farmer community. I'm working in professional sector, but I know how to work properly in farming. I know how to struggle with life. I know how to stand ourselves and with our business anywhere. But how this possible in my life? I didn't think about the job. I must get job. I work in under of anybody. If this kinds of situation will be a create in India, and everybody will have to lose their job, so they will have get big problem. Actually, I'm saying to about how the person be able to earn their self finance and self earning with their growth of the skill, with their growth of the business, with their growth of the self ability. That is the only certificate of the education. That is a certificate of the degrees, post degrees, some kinds of the hard skill, which are the we learn in any institution. It's called the computer knowledge, yeah, any industrial knowledge, yeah. But when we get that knowledge, and after the time we will have to join for the any job, and we want to get the salary, get the package. So we unable to achieve our this kinds of goal because of our daily expenses, our daily life problems very strong, and our earning sector are very poor, and because of that we unable to think about first, we unable to think about to our circle, our triangle, out of our triangle and our circle, because of we didn't get chance, we don't get chance. We totally busy with our working. We go to the my office, my company, we come to the home, we take a sleep, we go there, we come here, we take a sleep, we work there, come here, take a sleep, go there. Within that circle we didn't get, and we don't get chance to think out of this my area, my circle, my that is called the, how we can say about this, a secure life. And what happened with that secure life about the Italy, France, Spain,